As a photographer, it's important to understand the direction that your light is hitting your subject from. Right now, the light that's hitting my face is coming from outside this window, and the light source is actually the sun, even though it's an overcast day. Well, it's morning time, so the sun is pretty high up in the sky. If I'm looking straight out this window, the sun is actually above my head. So the shadows on my face are being cast because the light is slightly above my head. If I were to look closer up into the light, now the angle of my light is pretty much hitting my face directly, and it looks much more even and fills my face more, less shadows. If I were to position my face away from the sun, maybe down, you can see that there are more shadows on my face because technically the sun is like right on top of my head now. If I turn away from the window and turn upside down, the sun is now hitting me from below, and this is what we call monster lighting because it looks crazy. Okay, so here's an example from a shoot that I did. This is a picture of the model, very silhouetted because the light is coming from behind and there's no reflection on the front of her face. So then I introduced a reflector and I positioned it kind of beneath her face, and you can tell it's not the most flattering light because it's bouncing up into her face kind of from below, which again is what we call monster lighting. So compare that to this photo where it's the same reflector, but I just have it positioned at a different angle. Now it's up above her head, angling down at her face. The reflector in these two shots is actually acting as a light source. In the first shot, it was filling in from below, and in this shot, it's filling in from above. And you can see which one has a little bit more of a flattering effect for the model's face. So no matter what kind of look you're going for with your photos, it's just good to be conscious of where your light is positioned in relation to the model. If you're trying to reduce or increase the shadows on the person's face, that's all related to the angle that the light is hitting them from.